Less than a month until Americans go to the polls to decide who will be the next president.
Hundreds of people who were denied their right to vote, which led to a lawsuit against the Secretary of State's office.
Reporter Corey Howard explains.
Yeah, this week a judge ordered that the voting rights of approximately 11,000 felons be restored, and these documents explain every detail.
We're deeply disappointed that it took a year and a lawsuit for the state to fully comply with the law.
Celendo Guerrero works with an organization called Millions for Prisoners New Mexico. The organization filed this lawsuit against the Secretary of State's office, accusing them of suppressing the voting rights of convicted felons.
It took, and it shouldn't have, but it took a lawsuit, us filing in district court to finally get their attention that there was a real problem that needed to be addressed before this big election coming up.
In March of 2023, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham signed the Voting Rights Act, which ensured convicted felons the right to vote the day they get out of prison.
So that was a big change in the law. And the judge is saying, look, the county election officials weren't keeping up with the change in the law. So now it's multiple thousands of people who were affected by it. They're now allowed to vote.
On Tuesday, Millions for Felons New Mexico won their lawsuit. The judge ordered the Secretary of State's office to send each county clerk a list of people who have been denied and are now eligible. The Secretary of State's office sent a lengthy statement which said in part, Secretary Toulouse Oliver has been committed to making sure every New Mexican who is eligible has the opportunity to register to vote in accordance with statute and federal law.
I think it's an important reminder to political leaders that nobody is above the law and that when legislation is passed, it must be implemented fully and without delay.
Now, KOAT political expert John Day did say that those who are denied the chance to vote will have a chance to register and vote in this upcoming presidential election. Reporting in Albuquerque, Corey Howard, KOAT, Action 7 News.
The lawsuit includes instruction to help ensure county clerks do not accidentally grant voting rights to people who are still behind bars.